In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a simple 4-petal flower using lightweight scraps of fabric. This will be a super quick tutorial that will take you less than 10 minutes to make. You can download the pattern that I made for this if you check out the link in the description below. So to start with, you're going to cut out 4 pieces of the pattern. You're going to sew the pattern pieces together to make 2 sets. Be sure to leave a little gap so that you can turn them to the right side. This step is really just to make sure that your fabric does not fray. Now you want to overlap your petals in a cross and sew a long basting stitch in a box around the center of your petals, sewing them together. Pull the thread to gather the base of the flowers, and you already have your cute 4-petal flower. From here, you can easily hot glue it to a hair clip or sew it to whatever type of decoration you would like.